According to the YouTube channel HDTV Test and the information they get from the CES 2025, the Samsung OLED S95F and the S90F will have some interesting improvements compared to the last year models, the S95D and the S90D. The first important improvement is the image processor because it increased the neural networks up to 128. This is around 6 times higher than the last year's model, which only had 20 neural networks. This means that you will get a better image upscaling, optimized noise reduction, and also better motion handling, decreasing jitter and artifacts. The second improvement will be a higher amount of peak brightness, both on full screen and also on a small 10% window. For some users, this will be a great improvement, but perhaps for most people it wouldn't matter because the last year models had already a great amount of brightness. The third improvement will be the addition of the third generation of the electroluminescent layer, which of course allows the already mentioned improvement of the peak brightness. The fourth improvement, which only applies for the S95F, is the maximum refresh rate, which will increase up to 165 Hz with variable refresh rate technologies, although this will be only relevant by using a super powerful PC graphics card, which means this won't be relevant when using the current video games consoles such as the PlayStation 5 Pro or the Xbox Series X. And the last but not less important improvement, which also applies only for the S95F, is the glare-free 2.0 technology applied over the matte anti-reflective coating screen, which will improve performance on dark scenes also in bright rooms compared to the last year model. This means a better result in black colors also in bright rooms. The S85F will be the cheaper model with OLED technology you can get from Samsung this 2025, but it will have a WOLED panel on the offered sizes, and it will have the last year image processor, and the maximum refresh rate will be up to 120 Hz. The S90F will be the option for you if you have a higher budget in case you want a glossy screen, but the S90F won't have the 165 Hz and it won't have the One Connect box as the S95F has. In terms of which type of OLED panel will use the S95F and the S90F, well, in the case of the S95F, apparently the 83-inch model will probably use a WOLED panel and the rest of the sizes a QD OLED panel. With the S90F, the 83-inch size will also have a WOLED panel, but with the rest of the sizes is still unknown and it may vary according to every country. And that's it. Now all we have to do is waiting for these models to be released and see how they will perform according to real-life reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, until next time.